Yo, what is going on YouTube? This video I'm going to be showing you how to get Palworld for free. The full game has been officially released on Xbox, PlayStation 5, PC and Steam. It costs around $20 US. Now this video is going to be showing you the Xbox and Steam version, but it does work also for PlayStation 5. So you may not see PlayStation 5 in this video, but it is on the site. So yeah, anyway, let's get into it.
Okay guys, so let me show you how you can get Palworld for completely free on Xbox or Steam/PC. You need to go to your internet on your mobile phone and go to www.wavycoupons.com. Make sure you go directly to this website, guys, because if you go to Google and try and find it, you probably won't be able to. So just go directly to the site. Now, this website has so many different pages to aid you to navigate to Palworld. You need to go to search and just type in Palworld, and it should pop up Palworld free game code. Click on that page. Now, as I mentioned, this is a digital game code which you can simply redeem on either Xbox or PC/Steam, and it's going to download the full game, pretty much the same as if you purchased a digital copy from a third-party provider. So I personally play on Xbox, so that's what I'm going to be choosing, and you can see this is a free digital copy of Palworld for Xbox consoles. Now click on show code, and this is going to pop up, guys. You can see we need to unlock our digital game code. These codes are protected to basically stop robots from coming on and taking all of the available codes. So tap unlock code, and let's start the process of getting our digital game code for Palworld. So now you're going to see this Palworld code unlocker, and it is pretty self-explanatory. We need to just follow the instructions on this screen to unlock our code for a free copy of the game. So we need to complete 2 of the free app/survey offers below, and we need to follow the instructions below each one, and this will basically verify you are a real person. So on my screen I have a list of 5 or 6 different tasks that are all completely free, and there is a short description telling me what I need to do to complete that specific task. I need to select 2 of these tasks and fully complete them, and it should unlock my code. So these tasks, as you can see, range from downloading and playing some free games to answering some free questions in a survey. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to pause the video whilst I fully complete 2 of these tasks, and then I'll come back and we can see if it gives me my digital copy for Palworld. So I'll see you in a few minutes. Okay guys, so I just spent a few minutes completing 2 tasks from this page. They were pretty easy. I just had to basically take my time and make sure I followed all of the instructions. So yeah, just make sure you do fully complete 2 of these. I actually went ahead, did this survey here, then I downloaded this game at the top, and I had to basically play that game until level 8. Pretty easy, but yeah, just take your time and fully complete them. So now I'm going to press my tabs, and because I've followed the instructions, I've got this Palworld tab down here that you can see. When you click on it, it will now give you your personal and exclusive digital copy of Palworld. So this is a simple code that I can redeem on my Xbox, and it's going to start downloading the full game. And that is probably the easiest method to get Palworld for free in 2024. So I'm going to be using my code in a few minutes, so you're going to need to go and get your own. So hit up wavycoupons.com, follow all of the instructions in this video, and you should not have any issues. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button, leave a comment below if you got your game, and yeah, enjoy, guys. It's a pretty fun one, so that's what I'm gonna go and play now. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video.